2026, January 31st, the last day of January, and Crystal's birthday, we got a huge snowstorm. And we have 8+ inches of snow. So we are gonna go sled riding. Oh my goodness, look at all the snow, June. Our steps are pretty covered.
You can see the first step.
Man, I can't get over how pretty it is. It's so pretty. I'll try my best, Izzy. Yes. The snow is just so fluffy. She goes. Go a little bit more. Oh! Put her down. Put her down in. And that's where we're at. Oh, this is what it looks like.
Ow.
Laying down in the snow.
Mom, my hands are freezing now.
You're freezing. You should go inside and do a warm up.
Yeah, but Dad won't let me.
What? Ugh. Oh man. Yeah, very few times have I seen Beach Creek Road. In the snow. Stick your tongue out. Try and catch some.
I can't get to any.
What do you think about all this snow?
I love it.
Yeah? And that's not a filter. That's the real deal, isn't it?